How to fix Skype status not updating. First things first, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of 2025 and is now fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to fix this status not updating issue, first of all, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, because if you have slow one, the actions that you have just performed might take some time to load or show up. So what you can do is also go ahead and try to log out of the application itself and also try logging in once again. And then you can simply go ahead and open your device's app drawer. From here, locate the Microsoft Teams application icon. Long press it, tap on this I option to access the app info panel. Scroll down to the storage and cache option, then proceed to clear the cache to remove all sorts of unwanted files, and you simply have to now relaunch it and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.